शगना दी शाम अखियां विच लेके माही तेरा ही नाम, मैं ते तुर जाना तेरे नाल वे। तारे मेहमान चन्ना वे तेरी खातिर सारा जहां, छड़ के मैं जाना तेरे नाल वे। ओ बाबुल दी निगियां बावां, अम्मी दी सारियां दुआवां, सारी सखियां दी यादां नू संभाल, मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल। माहिया मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल, ढोलना मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल।
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी।
Namo Loe Sabbe Sauram, Namo Ariyantaram, Namo Sitaram, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Loe Sabbe Sauram.
मुझे जीना आया है ओ तेरे संग यारा, कुछ रंग बहारा, तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा। ओ तेरे संग यारा, कुछ रंग बहारा, मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा। कहीं किसी भी गली में जाऊं मैं, तेरी खुशबू से टकराऊं मैं। हर रात जो आता है मुझे वो ख्वाब तू, तेरा मेरा मिलना दस्तूर है, तेरे होने से मुझ में नूर है।
मिलना है हमें। चलो उनके लिए कुछ लेते चले और उनको दुआएं देते चले। थोड़ी गुंजिया गुंजिया लेते चले, थोड़ी बर्फी बर्फी लेते चले। आज उनसे मिलना है हमें, आज उनसे
ओम तदेव लक्ष्मं सुजितं तदेव बलं चंद्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव रामी सुमोक्तस्तु सुप्रतिष्ठितमस्तु। स्वागतम सुस्वागतम। तालियां बजा दीजिए। Let's give a big applause for two wonderful families coming together in the island of gods.
महलों की रानी है, सुंदर सयानी है, वो खानदानी है, जाने दिल क्या क्या खरीदे हम, क्या ना खरीदे हम, क्या दे निशानी, ये है मुश्किल। महलों की रानी है, सुंदर सयानी है, वो खानदानी है, जाने दिल क्या क्या खरीदे हम, क्या ना खरीदे हम, क्या दे निशानी, ये है मुश्किल।
ओम राजाधिराजाय प्रसख्य सायिने
कुछ खट्टा मीठा लेते चले। आज उनसे मिलना है हमें, आज उनसे मिलना है हमें। मिलेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, ये सोचा न समझा न जाना है। शायद कहे ऐसे उनका हमेशा से सर आंखों पर ही ठिकाना है। उनसे मिलेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, ये सोचा न समझा न जाना है। शायद कहे ऐसे उनका हमेशा से सर आंखों पर ही ठिकाना है।
A round of applause please, welcoming where Satkar is done. Om Shri Mahanarayana Swarupaya Varaha Rajadhirajaya Prasakayine Namo Vayamai Shabhanaya Kumahe।
उनसे मिलेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, ये सोचा न समझा न जाना है। शायद कहे ऐसे उनका हमेशा से पर ही
बिल्कुल
शायद कहे हमेशा से सर आंखों पर ही ठिकाना।
कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददा।
थोड़े काजू किशमिश लेते चले सब थोड़ा थोड़ा लेते कुछ लेते चले और उनको दुआएं देते चले। आज उनसे मिलना है हमें, आज उनसे मिलना है हमें।
नाचन लाग्यो रे बैरागी मन, अरे भागन लाग्यो रे।
Don't go right now. The gate is stressed.
Don't have to guess. I know. Fine, fine. अब नहीं, लेकिन वो बड़े प्यार से खींचवा रहे हैं।
अरमानों में रवानियां पहली दफा हो गया बेगाना मैं होश से पहली दफा। प्यार को पहचाना एहसास है ये नया। सुना है ये रस्म वफा है जो दिल पे नशा है वो पहली दफा है। सुना है ये रस्म वफा है जो दिल पे नशा है वो पहली दफा है।
तेरी ही बोली बोलूंगी मैं, तेरी ही बानी गाऊंगी मैं। तेरे इश्क दा चोला पहन के मैं तुझ में ही रंग जाऊंगी। तेरे इश्क दा चूड़ा पहन के मैं तुझ में ही सज जाऊंगी। मैं नचदी फिरा बन ठा
together and we have a big round of applause. Let's give them a warm welcome.
तन्नो रामः प्रचोदयात् कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदाय।
तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क। अपना नाम बदल दूं।
सिद्धलक्ष्मी मोक्षलक्ष्मी जयलक्ष्मी सरस्वती श्रीलक्ष्मी वरलक्ष्मीश्च वरसर्वदा महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्।
बस एक रहे मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क। ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, ये
मंगलम भगवान् विष्णु मंगलम गरुडध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि।
लफ्जों के हसी धागों में कहीं पिरो रहा हूँ कब से मैं हुजूर। कोशिशें जरा है निगाहों की तुझे देखने की हो खता जरूर। दीवानगी कहूँ इसे या है मेरा फितूर कोई हूँ।
शिवे सर्वात्म साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते। सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते गन्धमाल्य शोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे त्रिभुवनकरी बोधशक्ति विष्णुवत्ते क्षमादेवी।
कैसे दूर तुझसे मैं रहूं। खामोशियां जो सुन ले मेरी इनमें तेरा ही जिक्र है। खामोशियां जो सुन ले मेरी इनमें तेरा ही जिक्र है। ख्वाबों में जो तू देखे मेरे तुझसे ही होता इश्क है। उल्फत कहो इसे मेरी ना कहो है मेरा कसूर कोई हूँ जैसे तू कोई हूँ जैसे तू। भीगे मौसम की भीगी सुबह का है नूर। कोई हूँ जैसे तू कोई हूँ जैसे तू। भीगे मौसम की भीगी सुबह का है नूर।
समयदस्तां सौभाग्यस्तुं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः।
आज इबादत रूबरू हो गए।
shall be responsible to provide a happy home for you.
Devon, I shall be by your side as your courage and strength. I will rejoice in your happiness. In return, we will love each other.
Shweta, we'll grow together in health, wealth, and strive for the education of our children. May our children live long.
Devon, I will love you solely for the rest of my life, as you are my husband.
Fourth step. Om Mayo Bhava.
Devon, I will shower you with joy from head to toe. I will strive to make you happy in every way I can.
Wow. Fifth step. Virtuous children.
Shweta, you're my best friend and well-wisher. You have come into my life, enriching it. God bless you.
Devon, I promise to love and cherish you forever, and your sorrow is my sorrow.
The seventh step together to be lifelong partners and companions, not only here and also on an eternal friendship.
Shweta, we are now husband and wife and are one. You're mine and I'm yours for eternity.
Devon, I, as God is witness, I am now your wife. We will love, honor, and cherish each other forever.
So now the 7 pillars is done. The 7 pillars is to say that, so you're starting your life towards with Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. So please get ready to share all your passwords, ATM PIN codes. So it means to say that Ardhangini means a life partner. Parvati Parmeshwara, Sita Ram, Radha Krishna. See, everywhere the wife's name comes first. It means to say that the wife is equally responsible for everything, so his husband is responsible. Om Narayana Pratagurnato Narayana Tvacha Narayana Sarako Bhabhyam Narayana Vai Namo Namaha. कांताय कल्याणनिधिनः श्रीमद्वेंकटनाथाय श्रीनिवासाय मंगलम सुमंगलीरिं मदोरिपाकं समेतमस्तदां सौभाग्यस्तुं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः दीर्घसौमंगली भव शुभकल्याणमस्तु धनधान्यारोग्यैश्वर्याभिवृद्धिस्तु जैनधर्माभिवृद्धिरस्तु। ओम महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। धनं धान्यम् आरोग्यम् ऐश्वर्यं विद्या बुद्धिं शक्तिं यशं बलं तेजं आरोग्यं सिद्धिरस्तु। धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुष्पार्थ सिद्धिरस्तु। रोचनो रोचमानस्य शोभनशोभमानस्य।
Shweta told me about Vaibhav. We were excited, but at the same time, I wanted to put Vaibhav on a very hard test. So I said, Shweta, okay, let me meet him alone and let me understand him. After meeting him, I was impressed. He is a good person, a very pleasing personality, very smart, smiling. They are a good couple, a loving couple with each other, and he is a right person who could marry Shweta.
When Shweta told me, okay, Mom, I want to tell about the boy, I thought maybe some random guy or something, how I will feel. And we met first time. I think first time in my half question gone, I said he's a good guy. That time I think I really felt he's perfect for Shweta. Vaibhav I find very positive person. They know each other, and Shweta find compatible, and we also saw in so many meetings, and we also find they are both are compatible, and love is in the air, so I think everything will be fine after that. So we just say yes.
श्वेता की बचपन की हंसी मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा याद है। वो इतनी हंसती थी। एक बार हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए तो मैं बोला, बेटा तेरे को एक टेस्ट लेते हैं कि तू 2 मिनट भी बिना हंसे रह सकती है क्या। और आई जस्ट पुट हिम इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा, वीडियोड हर फॉर 2 minutes, and it was a big test for her not to smile for 2 minutes. She used to smile and laugh, and I wish that in her life that smile and laugh continue till she lasts.
So कोई भी घर में आता था तो नो, पहले उसकी सुनो, और अगर आपने एक सुनना शुरू किया तो she will end with the 20 or 25. So that was really very laugh. We always laugh. Okay, wow, now the person gaya kaam se.
Yeah, and everybody used to enjoy her because the way she speak and her tongue of that time was so interesting.
Shweta is, on the other hand, she is a very caring person. Very caring means sometimes she become my mother. So they both have a different qualities, but I think great qualities. I think I will not miss much because she is in Singapore. So I think we will meet every day. If she was not in Singapore, then definitely we'll miss. But otherwise, we are very happy, and sometime definitely it will feel. But comfort is there to see you in Singapore.
My best wishes, our blessings are always with them for a happy and long married life. We wish that they fly in their life as high as they can. Together and with lot of compassion, love, and keep their wisdom always with them.
जहाँ भी रहे, बहुत खुश रहे, because happiness is very important. So I just want कि Vaibhav, please you keep her happy rest of life, and that is, and all the best wishes for you. I think these are the things which one I know कि Vaibhav also keep happy, but still as a mother, father, we really wanted Vaibhav, please take care of Shweta.
We love you, Shweta.
The first time Vaibhav told me that she has met a girl in Singapore, no preconceived ideas that point of time, and we met them, they met us, we were together for a couple of days. They liked our family, we liked their family, and then from that point of onwards, we took it forward.
वैभव ने मेरे को जब बताया, मामा मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर भेजी है, जस्ट यू सी दैट और मेरे को बताओ, एंड ही सेड आल्सो, उसने मेरे को बोला मामा शी इज जैन आल्सो, सो आई थिंक यू लाइक इट. सो मैंने जब उसको देखा, पिक्चर देखी, उसकी फ़ोटो देखी एंड उसका स्माइल फेस देखा, सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. उसका प्यारा सा स्माइलिंग फेस देख के मैंने कहा नहीं, आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो, एंड शी इज़ ए गुड गर्ल. और इस तरीके से मैंने इन दोनों को देख के मेरे को बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ, लगा कि बहुत अच्छी पेयर रहेगा उनका.
The best part of both Vaibhav and also Shweta, what I can understand is that they are both of them are very confident. They are career conscious. They are committed to their work, and the target is to achieve what they plan for.
दोनों परफेक्ट पेयर लगे एक दूसरे के लिए, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट और एक दूसरे की अच्छाई बुराई दोनों चीज़ देख के वो आगे बढ़े हैं। और इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से समझते हैं कि क्या किसकी फीलिंग है। और वैभव बहुत केयरिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा, और इसी तरह श्वेता भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा केयरिंग लगी। सो दे आर द परफेक्ट पार्टनर। मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों ने एक दूसरे को एक अपना पार्टनर बनाने की सोची, तो हम लोग से मिले और हम लोगों को भी ऐसा लगा कि दोनों फैमिलीज़ बहुत क्लोज निट हैं और एक दूसरे को अच्छे से समझ रही हैं। और हमें ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, हम दोनों के लिए आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। तो हम सब लोगों ने मिलकर डिसीजन लिया है कि नहीं, दे चूज़ द राइट पार्टनर एंड वी गो अहेड। लेकिन कभी भी अगर उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है या कुछ होता है तो ही कम्स टू मी, आता है, थोड़ा लेट बैठता है, बात करता है। मैं जानती हूँ कि वो कुछ पूछना चाहता है मुझसे, वो सॉरी कभी नहीं बोलता है कि अगर कुछ उसको लगता है कि मैंने कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करी है तो ही सेज कि व्हाई आई विल डू दैट।
He is pretty caring. He is self-confident. He has never bothered me in his entire life.
He handled him very nicely.
Yeah. So we never had an issue basically. In the evening at home, and he was playing downstairs, and he got hit by a swing, and the blood came out of his head.
Yes.
Never spoke anything. Never cried.
And you know why he is not cried or why not spoke? Because उसको ऐसा लगा कि मम्मी पापा डांटेंगे कि तुमने दंगा क्यों किया तो इसलिए मैं चुप हूँ। ऐसे नहीं कि मेरे ब्लड निकल रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, बट वो इसलिए नहीं बोला। बिफोर मैरिज और आफ्टर मैरिज आई ऑलवेज मिस वैभव, बिकॉज पढ़ाई के बाद वो हमेशा, स्टडी के बाद हमेशा जॉब में रहा है। और
basically he picked up a career that I was pursuing in my life, that is in the oil industry, and I think whatever I could not achieve as a professional in the industry, I think that Vaibhav, I see myself in Vaibhav that he will achieve all those things which I missed out. As far as life with Shweta is concerned of Vaibhav, I think they are a perfect pair. They understand each other pretty well, and I think they will continue with their life successfully in future.
Or always remain happy. My wish is they always living happy and live together.
Our blessings are both with Vaibhav and Shweta for leading a successful life, and we are always there to support both of them whenever they need us. We'll come forward for whatever is required to be done.
So Vaibhav and Shweta, we are always with you. Whenever you need us, we are always with you. Remain happy.
What do we have in common? I think a lot of things. We share a lot of the same values and goals. I think that was the first primary thing that connected us. I can talk now, right? The first date was at the National Gallery in Singapore in Aura Restaurant. Strangely enough, we were both vegetarians, and we coincidentally found out on that day. There was no particular time. I think we both mutually had an understanding that we both connected very, very well, and maybe a few months later, we knew this was right. No one proposed to each other. Again, it was mutual. But of course, the official proposal was done by him. He's just a very pure person, and a person with too big of a heart, which is really, really nice. And yeah, that's the best thing about him. But you know, he's respectful, he's kind, he is warm, and I could just go on. I feel great. I'm very excited. You know, I think we are more excited for how we are going to, you know, live together for the next 40, 50 years. I don't know. But
Yeah, excited. Very.
Vaibhav, I'm really happy I got to meet you, and I'm so excited we're getting married today.
And as well, I really like the fact that she's super caring, and she's ambitious. She has some goals that she wants to achieve, and she's very hardworking. And she loves me, I guess. So yeah, that's what I like about her. So I believe we both have big hearts, I would say. I think we both are caring people. We like to care about others. Just not, of course, our family, that's obvious, but even beyond that, I feel we both like to care for each other. In addition to that, I feel we both have strong core moral values, which is what I think brought us three together. And we really communicate well. Our problems, our issues, our happy memories, we like to bring positivity. So I think we have that similar frame of mind as well. That's the situation. Yes. We actually met on 4th of August, and then I think we went to this restaurant called Smoke and Mirrors in Singapore. I think we decided to meet at 8:30, and we thought it would just be a couple of hours, but then I think we really clicked, and we ended up speaking for 6-7 hours. And we actually were asked to leave at 2 o'clock. They're like, it's shutting down, you're the last two people, you have to leave. It's only then, so I think it was a great first evening. Right, I think, like I mentioned, we met in August. And I think shortly, I think 3 to 4 months, I think in December, I believe, we decided that, okay, I think we both felt that, I think, although it's just been 3-4 months, we both felt that that we're ready, and the next step straight is into getting married. I mean, of course, after that, it's been 1 year now. It was a long journey, but I think it was very quickly that we decided that, okay, I think we are good for each other, we're made for each other, and we decided to get married in 3-4 months and then tell our parents about it. How I'm feeling right now? I feel great, honestly. My cousins, my friends will tell you that they're actually shocked that I'm actually getting married, because I didn't believe in it until I met Shweta. And it's honestly been a smooth ride the last 15 months, and today we're in a great place. Shweta is really happy, and I hope I can keep her happy and always in this manner. It's gonna be a hot day, so I'm a bit dreading for that. But at the same time, I'm really looking forward to getting married to her. I mean, of course, it was a mutual decision to just, like I said, we both felt right about this, and we said, okay, I think we want to get married. I would say I think it was mutual, but of course, earlier this year, I of course had a wedding plan, and I actually proposed to her.